Wall mount for the Samsung Flip 2 WM65R Digital Flipchart for Business allows you to mount your display in either portrait or landscape mode. Vesa 400 mounting pattern. Features an extra bracket to prevent wobbling when interacting with the Flip 2. Quick and easy installation with dock connector. Convenient no-gap spacing design provides snug fit flush to your wall. Connectivity technology, USB. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent product. We bought it for language classes we're broadcasting from home and it's been very useful. Using a separately purchased AirPlay adapter, it's easy to project your iPad screen to the board and draw on top. Build quality is exceptional, high-end, and well worth the money. Highly recommend paying the higher price for this one and not settling for lower quality solutions.